So hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Build Tech. So today we are going to learn guys how to check second highest number in Java. So guys, let's get started. So for that we have to use here int array equal to some value I need to take. Suppose random numbers 33, 44, 77, 66. So guys, I have created one array. So what it will do, it will just create an integer array, okay, and this is the array elements. What these are called elements, okay. So I put here. After that what we have to do, we have to store the largest number, okay. So I am going to give here int max equal to 0 and then int set max equal to 0. So by these number I put like max equal to 0 and set max equal to 0. So where set max means the sense it will store the second largest number, okay, and initially set is 0, okay. Then guys I have to use the for loop. So I am using the for loop. So in this for loop I need to start from the 0, then I less than arr dot length, then loop will go till plus plus. Then guys I have to use here if condition. If arr of I greater than max, if arr of I greater than max, then set max equal to max, okay, and max equal to arr of I. So this is the condition guys I have to follow. So max equal to arr of my I means it will just check the current element which will become like new maximum, okay, and I have used here sec max equal to max means old maximum becomes second maximum. So we have to find out guys, and then I am using here else if condition, and else if arr of I greater than max, or sorry greater than sec max, and operator again arr of I not equal to max, okay guys. So it will check the condition means it will check the current element should be greater than second max and current element should not be equal to maximum, okay. So it should not be equal to maximum. That is the main purpose is like it will avoid the duplicate maximum values, okay guys. Then I have to check here sec max equal to arr of I, okay. Just I need to close here brace, again I need to close the brace, and then guys I need to check the values, okay. So I am checking here values as out max value and another print set max, okay guys. So max in the sense whatever the maximum value is there like 77 and second max is 66, okay. So it will show here. So let's get print. Just we have to click here run second highest number. This is my class name. So it is compiling and running. So guys it is giving successfully output, that is 77 is the maximum value and second maximum value is 66. You can see the guys output, okay guys. So it is printing properly, okay guys. So please revise this program, it is very important guys for interview. So guys, if you like my channel Build Stack, then please hit the like button and do the subscribe. So till this guys, have a nice day and we'll meet in the next upcoming video. Okay guys, bye bye.